Hello friends and welcome to the beautiful island of Fuerteventura, one of the Canary Islands in Spain. The beaches Playa de Jandia and Playa del Matorral are located in the south of the Jandia Peninsula, near Morro Jable. In this video, we'll explore the beautiful beach Playa de Jandia together, and then admire the Playa del Matorral beach from the air. With their fine golden sand and clear turquoise water, these beaches are a paradise for sunbathers and water sports enthusiasts. A special highlight is the sandbar that forms at low tide, creating a lagoon that's perfect for birdwatching. You can also take wonderful walks on the sandbar itself, so stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. First, we visited the Playa de Jandia beach and explored this beautiful beach with its blue water and cliffs. The beach is perfect for swimming and long walks. The rocks in the sea with the turquoise water form a magnificent composition, and the squirrels on the shore are very cute and wonderful to observe. The beautiful Playa del Matorral beach is located in Morro Jable, near the lighthouse. Here you can enjoy the ocean and the sandy beach and relax wonderfully. We hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to seeing you in the next one. See you soon. Your Jack.